Gaza's anti-occupation rallies continues in buffer zone. 4 Palestinians injured by Israeli troops in West Bank. UN Security Council calls for ceasefire in Libya. Defeat crush Haftar's campaign to capture Tripoli. Sudan military to rule first half of transitional period. Sudan's ruling military council releases 235 prisoners. Nigerian school makes Muslim girls remove headscarf. Muslims in Sri Lanka under threat, right groups. Afghanistan, 9 civilians killed in market mortar attack. US urge Afghans to prepare for compromises. Bangladesh, 11 injured in heavy rains at Rohingya camps. Key Daesh commander killed in southwest Pakistan.